Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga screen is flopping backwards by itself, you might be facing a common hinge issue. This usually happens because the hinge has become loose over time or due to wear and tear. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage to the screen or the internal components, so it's essential to address this problem promptly. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and possibly some replacement screws or a hinge kit, depending on the extent of the damage. Start by ensuring your Lenovo Yoga is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic prying tool to open the device, starting at the edges and gently working your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once open, locate the hinge assembly where the screen connects to the base. You'll want to look for any loose screws or visible damage in this area. If you find loose screws, use your Phillips screwdriver to tighten them carefully. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this could cause further issues. If the hinge itself is damaged, you may need to remove it entirely. To do this, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the hinge assembly, noting their positions for reassembly later. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've removed the faulty hinge, replace it with the new one and reconnect any cables you previously detached. Make sure everything is secure, but again, avoid over-tightening the screws. After the hinge is in place, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring there are no gaps. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga and check that the screen now stays in place without flopping backwards. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid putting excessive pressure on the screen when using your device, and ensure that the hinges are always adequately lubricated to prevent wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.